I have found one YouTube channel that completely changed how I look at this niche. Most people have no idea how big this opportunity actually is. Just look at this Anime Motivational channel. Check when it was started and then look at how many views it has already pulled in within just a short period of time. It got more than 200k subscribers with just 16 videos. Now scroll through their uploads, you will notice that even their recent videos are still getting strong views, which already clearly proves that the demand in this niche is very real. So in today's video, I am going to show you how you can create these kinds of anime motivational videos and start a brand new YouTube channel in this niche. I will walk you through the entire process step by step, so make sure you stick around till the end because this can completely change the way you think about faceless content creation. First of all, we need a video idea. For this niche, your ideas should always revolve around struggle, pain, discipline, growth, self-belief, and comeback stories. So you can choose the videos which are already working and take the ideas from those videos, and you can go to ChatGPT to make your own script. And once you have your idea and the script, it's time to create the video. You simply open Vexub, click on create a video and choose the text to video option. Then click on go to step 2 and select the horizontal format because we are creating long form YouTube content. After that, click on go to step 3. Since this is a faceless channel, you don't need any animated character, so you can just skip this step. Now you select a voice that fits the niche. For anime motivational content, always go with a calm, confident, and slightly energetic voice that can deliver emotion properly. Then click on go to step 4. Here, Vexub can generate a full script for you, or you can paste the script you already prepared. After that, click on go to step 5. At this stage, you simply choose a theme for your video. Since this is an emotional and motivational storytelling anime video, so select the anime theme. Then click on start generation. In just a few moments, Vexub will create a complete high-quality motivational video with visuals, subtitles, music, and pacing already done for you. Once the video is ready, preview it carefully. You will instantly notice how clean, professional, and engaging the final result looks.
What if the most powerful thing in Naruto wasn't the Nine Tails, the Sharingan, or some forbidden jutsu? What if it was simply the decision to never quit? Naruto Uzumaki started his journey with nothing.
If you want, you can fine-tune a few things, swap certain clips, adjust background music, or tweak the subtitle style to better match your vibe. When everything looks perfect, simply click export. Wait a few moments, download the final video, and it's completely ready to be uploaded to YouTube. That's how easily you can start a powerful anime motivational YouTube channel without showing your face, without complicated editing, and without expensive software. If you stay consistent, pick strong emotional topics, and upload regularly, this niche has insane potential to grow fast and generate serious income. If you want more tutorials like this covering viral niches, faceless channel strategies, and smart content creation using AI, make sure you subscribe because I will be sharing a lot of more powerful strategies like this. So I'll catch you in the next video.